How to add featured channels on YouTube mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. In order to do so without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and figure out how to do so. So the thing is, you can't do it within the YouTube application itself. We need to use a browser to do it. So open up a browser, any of the browser that you have on your mobile device, and open up YouTube. So go ahead and search for YouTube, and then open up YouTube on your screen. Now, if you want to add featured channels, once you open up YouTube, look out for the three dot in the top. And from there, you need to select the option of desktop site and turn it on. And we should be able to do it only on desktop site. So once you open up desktop site, we need to look out for our profile options. So usually in the top right corner, we can find it that we can click on, select it. And once you select it, select the option of settings from the given menu. After we open up the settings option, we just need to go ahead and look out for our profile channel. This is how we view it. Now we can look out for the option called customize channel or something like that and tap on customize channel and it will open up our YouTube studio. Or we can directly find a section for your YouTube channel with an option called add or manage your channel. So go ahead and tap on it. And once we tap on it, we'll be headed towards the next page. We can just go over and add up the featured channel in the space right here. So go ahead and select up the layout. You can tap on create a channel and you can start up the customization, what channel you will be having in your handling. After that, tap on create channel and do so. You can select layout, scroll to feature section, add section and choose the feature channel option. And you can just go over and click on done once it is done. It's just that simple. You just need to hit publish and you'll be done. And the option may not be available in the mobile application yet for everyone, so you can just go over and use a browser plus desktop both. But in mobile application, you can try out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.